Welcome guys, in this video I am with Sony LinkBuds and I'm gonna show you how you can pair them with your MacBook. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge these earbuds at least to the 50%. On the back you can find this USB-C input. Another step, we have to just open the case by using this button. Be sure that earbuds sticking to these pins are right here. So press on them. The next step, use this back button, click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. Let's make it right now. Click and hold this button and take a look on the indicator. Right now you can release. Don't close this charging case. Put it close to your MacBook and move to the Bluetooth settings on your device. Go for the Bluetooth preferences. Wait for your LinkBuds until they appear on the list and click to connect. Right now we are connected. The last step, open the sound settings. As you can see, here they are. Just be sure that there is automatic switch from the MacBook speakers to your LinkBuds. Okay, and that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.